Okay, people, this is Clarissa Williams coming at you live again today. Today is going to be Judge Judge Rochelle Conits day today. She's going to be, she's next. I went in on Tarita Dunbar because I wanted to show you how deceptive and dishonest and unethical that Judge Tarita Dunbar is, and to let you see that she falsified documents and don't read those documents and take an ink pen and help kidnap people's children. So today, Judge Rochelle Conits, remember you issued that court order on me last week talking about I had mental health issues. So let's get into that. So this is what my attorney, Vanessa Cason, emailed me. She didn't say one word. Look, I want y'all to see this. Please see the attached order that I received today. December 10th. That's all January 10th. That's all she said. Now, this is all she said. So when I read it, that's what it said. Try to see this. Now, look. Please see the attached order that I received today. This is what it says. Me. Order appointing guardian ad litem for defendant Clarissa Williams. This matter came before the court for a pretrial conference in the above referenced manner. At the conference, the plaintiff requested the court consider the appointment of a guardian ad litem for the defendant, Clarissa Williams, because of the allegations raised in the plaintiff's action regarding this defendant's mental health, and in order to ensure no further delays in this matter. Upon reviewing the file and the allegations, she didn't review nothing that told her I had some mental health issues. Show it to me, lady. In this action, the court finds that out of an abundance of caution, a guardian ad litem should be appointed for defendant Clarissa Williams. This court finds that J. Brant Rucker, Esquire of the Greenville County Bar, is an appropriate person to serve in this capacity and hereby appoints him to serve as the guardian ad litem for defendant Clarissa Williams. In this case, it is ordered. There's Rochelle Judge Conits' signature. Somebody dated 12/7/22. Now, I want you to look at this date. When I look at underline, it says December the 8th at 1:52. Now, you have to be on our end to see it. We've looked at it. I'll let several people look at it. Now, look at that case number, 2021. My case number has always ended in 4440. Hear that? My case has always ended in, let me see, 4430. 4430. Because it started in 2021. Now, I'm going to read this to you. Section Code Law Manual. All new cases receive a new number, okay? New case numbers are not assigned to cases that are continued. My case has been continued since December 13, 2021 is when this case was opened up. Okay. Now, can you please tell me my public defender, Miss Vanessa Cason, whose case number ends in 3873? Not mine. I didn't have a new case in 2021. My case has always ended in 4430. So I have no idea where that came from in public defender Vanessa Cason. You should have caught that. Now, it does not have a stamp on it. Now, remember I told you, somebody got some, I don't know if they bought it from Amazon. This is my opinion, and it's a strong opinion. You can see that 8. I want you to see the DEC. When you look up under camera, you can see it. Remember I told you this is a deceptive tactic? They got some stamps over there. And somebody on the inside working with these people, and they not stopping them. Sled, come on. Come pick those. Go over there and start questioning people. Because somebody will shake if you shake them hard enough. They're gonna tell. And you start finding out who got them stamps over there and who on the inside, or somebody stamping these things over there at the family court. Sure is. Because whoever is doing this is not a smart or sharp person at all. They're kind of incompetent, and they keep playing games with me. And you're not going to do it because I told you I examine documents for a living. So no clerk of the court stamp that you can see. That's in violation of, I wish I had it in front of me so you can see where it says. You got to be able to see that. I'm going to find it and I'm going to post that. That's a law. And then it says case numbers are assigned. It says it is crucial that careful control be exerted over the assignment of case numbers so that no two cases are given the same number and that no case number is skipped. That's not my case number. Mine ends in 4430. So whoever typed this little dummy letter up, you did a horrible job at verifying your work, ma'am. So look at that one. That's the one Vanessa Cason sent me. So when I go up there, I think it's on December the 19th, maybe the 18th. I get this one. Now look, they done changed it from 3873 to 0370. Somebody just scratch. I told you somebody did just take ink pens and go crazy with them. And Michael Leach don't do nothing. Just sit back on his getting paid self and don't do nothing but let your employees commit crimes against people and kidnap people's children. You can't see the stamp. This is what they do. This SLED, FBI, you need to look into when you go up there, start asking who's stamping these documents. Please. Cause somebody gonna get in trouble. Cause y'all kidnapped my kid. Now, here's another one. Says the same thing. Now, look, somebody changed that. No stamp, you can't see it. No initials, no original on neither one of these documents. This one you can't see. This one you can't see nothing hardly. Look at that. Now, you know they can't put that in no file jacket over there. Now, what clerk of the court will let that go through? Somebody working on the inside with these people. It was in my folder. The lady printed it out for 25 cents. Now, this is the first time I went in front of Judge Conits when she took my baby from me, and everything in here is a lie. And I'm sure to you, December 15, 2021, probable cause removal order. Okay? So look, I told you, fraud, forgery, misconduct, corruption. Now they're trying to cover it up. And somebody actually wanted me to take that video down. There was another video because they know I'm on to them and I busted them. But okay, let's look. This is that court order that I'm just telling you about. Probable cause. Okay? No stuff. December 15th. I'm getting something else with you. Real scary. Okay? Look. How many arms does Judge Conits have on her? How many hands does she have on her arm? Because in order for all three of these signatures to be different, you got to have different arms, lady. I told you I was going to get you. This one is dated 10/15. Remember, DSS received allegations on 10/27/21. I don't know. That's not my case. I hadn't even taken Pooh Bear to MUSC when they made that allegation. So this is wrong. This is not for me. Look at that, people. Remember on the determination fact sheet, it said October 27th. Look whose signature. Judge Rochelle Conits. All three different signatures. Forgery and fraud. SLED, FBI, you need to come down here. SLED, you need to start going in there, taking them computers out and pressuring them people to tell you who getting these stamps or who's signing these judges. I'm telling you, my opinion, they got these documents sitting in file drawers. They just print them out, and the judges don't have a problem with it because they in on this together. I'm saying it again. It's some money involved. I don't know if it's through the all these mental places they try to make you go through and trying to push pills on you. I don't know if somebody got a foster care business over there. Lobbyists, I do not know, but I can tell you something. I'm gonna tell you this. Something illegal going on over there, and it's more deeper than what I just uncovered. Look at that. That's not the same signature. Who has access to be signing the judge's signature beside the judge? So anybody I can just go print this out and go change and put her name on it and just go hand it to somebody? No. General Assembly, that's your job to do something about this. This is your job. You make the rules, the laws. You need to make sure they follow them. You need to change this stuff. You need to sit down with some people like me. These people done kidnapped my kid with all this. Don't nobody know what's going on over there. Not one single person. Look at this. 2 different dates, signatures in the date. Look how the two's different. Big D, big pretty swerve. Look at this. Something wrong. So, now, the thing I'm mad at is my public defender didn't question how they came up with this. Now, I had my original trial because I said my last trial was in February. That's the last one I attended. I was supposed to have had this one, supposedly, but public defender Cason did something deceptive and told me 2 days before October 17th the trial was continued. That was in front of Judge Conits, okay? So look at that. What's that stamp? You can't trust these stamps. August 24th. See, that's a lie because she told me back in June or July. No, that one could be right. But look how they put 2022. Look at that. My case started in 2021. See how they make errors like this? Michael Leach, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. Because you don't even know what your employee's doing. But somebody get in trouble like this, and I ain't playing. I'm telling you, I ain't gonna stop to somebody. You gonna give me my baby back. You gonna give me, but you or that Judge Tarita Dunbar need to get together, dismiss this with prejudice, and give me my kid back. I ain't playing. You know, okay, I ain't gonna say. Now, we finna move over here. Now, I told public defender Vanessa Cason so many times that I did not want a public defender. Now, look at this, October the 14th. The case has been continued by the judge. Now, this is on Friday. I was supposed to be, all my relatives came in town to support me and to rally behind me and to show these people that this is who we are. This is what I get from this lady in the morning. The case has been continued by the judge, so there will be no trial on Monday. In addition, the judge has appointed an attorney guardian ad litem to represent your best interests. DSS is preparing the court order. DSS, they ain't no judge. How is DSS preparing a court order? Like they the judge. See, you done gave them too much power, General Assembly. Take it back. Y'all need to clean that whole. You need to fire Michael Leach. Fire Michael Leach, and I'm gonna keep pushing for that. It's just too much going on. It's no oversight. Nobody stopping these people. Y'all kidnapping children, and y'all letting these crooks over here and these criminals just do it. And these judges. Now look at that. 3 days before trial, so she knew that they had said something was wrong with my mental health. You think she defended my honor? She's supposed to represent me, not them. She ain't been doing nothing for me. Now we're gonna go over. So, the smart woman that I am, I said, once again, according to Section Code Law attached, I can only be appointed guardian ad litem if the case is a private action, which it is not. My case with Judge Conits is a DSS case, so which you acknowledge in your email that DSS will be typing up the court order. As my attorney, your job is to uphold the law and to know the law and work on my behalf as your client. This is a legal activity once again. You know this. As my attorney, I'm asking you to do what you need to do or file what documents are needed disputing appointment of a guardian ad litem. Per law, Judge Conits can't appoint me a guardian ad litem. These people just keep going. If there is another section code law stating otherwise, please send the section code law to me. You have to follow the law. That's right. That was October the 15th. I sent that to Public Defender Vanessa Cason. Then I sent her another one on June 8th. I said, did you forget our conversation? I emailed you this over the summer and informed you that I do not want a guardian ad litem. That according to section code law 63-3-18 law, I don't have to accept appointment of guardian ad litem. I don't want a guardian ad litem, and I do not have to work with one. I explained this to you previously. Read it. Let's read the law. My General Assembly made appointment in a private action before the family court in which custody or visitation of a minor child is an issue. The court may appoint a guardian ad litem only when it determines. I don't have look, this is a DSS case. This is not no private action. So there's no need to discuss anything. This is what my General Assembly said. Stop trying to change the law. That's what y'all do over there, and y'all don't follow it. None of you. I'm the only one that seems to follow the law. Now, and she still, now, and then, so this was in January again, I sent it to her. Now, so there you go. Again. So Vanessa Cason, you're not representing me at all. You're just letting these people railroad me. And you know they're wrong. And I sent you this information. You have a fiduciary responsibility when you know misconduct from the judicial system exists. And you know this fraud and forward, you know everything else. So you know what you have to do. South Carolina Bar tells you what you, and that, is it Richard Allen? He's an attorney. He know he's supposed to do when he knows. He didn't watch these videos. He knows what, he watched them all because he told me he watched them in so many words. So y'all both know misconduct and forgery and falsification of documents and lying and judges not doing their job and signing falsified court orders. So y'all have an obligation to address the courts with this. Yes, you do. So we're going to see what you're going to do. But Judge Conits, you busted again. See that? See that sled? See that? How does somebody get their hands on that? Then they play games with the stamps, look, so you can't see them. Because these people don't know to look for that. I do. It says the 8th. So we know when Vanessa Cason went to that court and said they was issuing the order, that was on October the 14th. And this document says December the 8th. I can see that. So you lied to me, Vanessa Cason. Sure did. And then look at this, 2021. I don't have no new case number. I'm gonna let y'all see I don't have no problem showing you my case number, because I'm the truth. So can y'all please tell me where they got that number from? Because I would like to know. That's not my, These people done railroad me. They done framed me. They done set me up to be guilty of some charges so somebody can get paid off of taking my baby. But I tell you what, somebody gonna be in trouble. And she coming back home. Make sure you share these posts. And you keep reposting. If you know somebody, the FBI unit, you know somebody at the United States Department of Justice, you know a politician, send them this so they can see how corrupt these judges are. Mr. Allen, you want more proof? I'm gonna give it to you, sir. So stay tuned. Clarissa Speaks the Truth is my YouTube channel. Have a good night.